are you doing there, Harvester Bill?
Getting ready for the big barbecue today, Harvester Ed.
What barbecue?
The barbecue at Park West Companies.
Whoa.
Hey, what are you doing with the barbecue here?
I'm getting ready for the big barbecue.
Yeah, excellent.
What the heck, Dustin?
What do you think about it, huh?
I think that is awesome.
Park West Barbecue.
How does that fit into your program?
Well, this is something that we came up with a couple of years ago, and it's actually been really beneficial. We go out to our branches and cook for the guys. We cook the carne asada for the guys. A couple of other things, we bring in crews from the other companies, construction, maintenance, tree care. We celebrate a crew each month, come in, we cook them in our academy, which you guys will see today. We cook them carne asada and listen to music and have some fun. The other thing too is we take this out to customer events, company events. We had this out for opening day at Angel Stadium a couple weeks ago. So lots of uses for this thing.
Now wait a minute, carne asada?
Yeah, carne asada.
What is that?
That is steak. It's the best steak you've ever had. Huh?
Yeah, that sounds good.
It's delicious.
You let me know when the next one is going to have this.
We'll have you come out.
Thank you.
So one of the key takeaways here, seriously, is that you have leadership serving your people that serve you.
Absolutely.
So isn't that a good message to send?
It's a great message, and you know, in the past we've been guilty too, where we've brought in food and served, and that's nice too, but it's nice to reward them and do something for them and have that servitude attitude, and they do so much for us, the crews and the fields. We want to reward them, and we want to cook food for them.
So
Yeah. And you know, I've never seen anything like this.
Yeah.
Where did you buy this?
You know what, our fleet department went out and resourced it and searched it and came up with this and did a great job putting the graphics on, and yeah.
This used to be a lawnmower harvester, Ed, and now it's a barbecue.
Wow,
Pretty good stuff, huh?
Wow, that's amazing, isn't
So
it?
the tip today is go out and feed your troops, serve the people that serve you, and cook up some carne asada. Come on, Ed, get in here and start
that
cooking.
sounds good. Well, where is it? We got to get it.
Put a slab in there.
Yeah.
All right, good stuff.